Out of synchronization, no signal. Synchronized signal. Start from beginning of EAS FLR model. The booster is off because I am near power lines. On. Synchronization pointed to ground, not front ground. 1 meter above, synchronized until beep. Reduce a little bit until stop, and is ready. It's synchronized for this type of ground here. Gold medal. From this part to there is maybe 8 meters. And it's possible to locate the gold medal at this distance with this device. There is the silver bracelet. It is buried 40 centimeters depth, and the diameter is 12 centimeters. It located 10 meters distance. In better days with a lot of sun and low humidity, it's possible 12 meters, 15 meters or more. The difference between this model, radio frequency model, to this of magnetic receptor. This has a radio frequency receptor, this one has a magnetic receptor. This model work well near power lines and not more than 1 or 2 kilometers away from power lines. Then it need a power model for remote areas, which increase the sensitivity in remote areas. The radio frequency model. This one, the magnetic, no need power model, because it works the same near power lines or in remote areas. This is the great advantage. As to distance, this one maybe it goes a little bit more. Ground penetration, I think the magnetic goes more deep, because I found small objects in places where I already was with this one. So both are very good long-range locators, but each one has little problems. They are not perfect. Like the metal detectors, they are not perfect.